strip clay.
Okay.
Oh, it's going to work out perfect for width spacing. The last pass will be a full one.
Pretty close there, Coach.
Really, I'm just headed out with the lunch. Which end would be the best, easiest place?
Hola, Roquito. This is Grady. You can meet us on the west side of the field.
Great, I'm looking at one combine right here by the east side of the field.
West side of the dadgum dam there.
That'll be me closest to the shop here, Rick.
Okay, so your lunch I have as well.
You want me to just wait here? You're going to bomb across this little piece of field here?
I think I'll run them down, yeah. I'll just come grab yours and then I'll go chase them down.
I sure like how you roll into the field, yo.
Jeff, I might have missed something, but is Johan just shutting down here?
He's calling Western Sales and gonna walk through the computer stuff with them, I think, on how to get that thing to regen or see if he's done.
Okay.
Maybe an important thing for Johan to say is that combine did a burn already once today.
Yeah, for sure.
There's a tailings full there, and I haven't taken on a green straw since I got here.
Do you want me to see if I can get on the phone, Jeff, and figure out where that sensor would be for that retractor?
Yeah, it would be good. See if we can figure out how to clean the sensor off.
You know, Jeff, maybe we should just loop back at the far end there and cut from this side, just so you get a little more dry straw going through your combine and give that thing a break. Maybe you'll clean up, eh?
Not only that, it puts the green stuff right on the top of the bin. Easiest place to dry it from.
Yep.
Did Grady have some problems now too? Not sure. I think he was going to check his retractor. I'm not sure what he's doing.
Oh, the pile's just forming.
Funky down.
seems like every one of these lower draws shoots up to 16-17% in there.
That's perfect. These high draws are 11 and 11 and a half, so it'll all blend out just real nice.
My left canvas is giving me a little bit of trouble. I'm gonna get out and take a peek at it.
Sounds good, bud.
Another one bites the dust, eh?
Yeah, this half was all show, no go. Heck of a lot more go than your last quarter, Slim.
Talked to Gerald, the Conic Smith yesterday, Rick, and they said their barley's going 11.
That sucks, eh?
Yeah, that's actually a pretty common figure right here for barley. I think the neighbors here, I think she said that was about what theirs were going to. So 20-25 bushel wheat, not as bad as that, that's for sure.
Yeah, I think the move to this Brandon wheat was a good one.
Need to get my auger exposed so Code can pick me up.
Sure, leaving nice stubble there, Dad.
Yeah, I need the benefit of snow moisture there. If we can keep another couple inches of snow, it's going to help.
Yeah, I think my half at Doug's went 11, if that makes you feel any better.
Not really. This south half definitely got dinged with some hail, it looks like, too.
You know what's a mystery is how in the world close were we to getting the crop, eh? I did a 3-mile stretch with that 8.9, and we weighed it, and we got 22 bushels an acre on a 3-mile stretch.
Where's that, Jeff?
Down the sand pit with across on Justin's half there.
Oh, actually, like my stuff at Robbie's and all the rest was better than anything else, Jeff.
Exactly, all the stuff we thought, oh wow, it's sure gonna get better when we get home. Well, no, it didn't.
There's a relay here. Take that a step further. The monitor will actually come up every 10 hours.
This canola has been probably the biggest disappointment of the whole harvest, eh? That would have been better if we would have put twice as many lentils in.
I'd love to get this thing back to thirds. I'm just not just sure exactly how we're doing it, that's all.
I concur. If there was a nice way to do it, it would be a beautiful rotation.
That stuff gonna need to get sprayed, Grade, or what do you think?
Like this whole field here, or what do you mean?
Yeah, like are we plugging because there's too much green, or what?
Yeah, but I don't think we need to spray it. Overall, it's better than the 2-mile.
Okay, good.
So, Clyde, are you there?
Sorry, I was just doing some playing with my GPS there.
Oh, I talked this over with Grady and he's got her figured. He says it's the seed hawk. He says that's why there's 50 bushel canola down there.
Oh yeah, could be moisture, I'm thinking, but
Yeah, I don't know what seed ended up on this knob here is what I'd like to know.
yeah, Sea-Doc did a good job though, nonetheless. I really enjoyed pulling that thing this past spring. That was a real treat. That does such a nice job behind you. It's fun to leave good workmanship behind. There's sure not many, there's nothing for green in the undergrowth here, eh, compared to what we were doing yesterday?
No. This is baffling, Jeff.
It's solo, it's like a manipulator on your canola. It just shortens the stalk.
Maybe we better quit worrying about putting canola on lentil stubble, huh?
Just poke her in at an inch and call her good, eh?
Poke it in at an inch and wait for rain. What the dickens?
finished.